Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Now, I wish to say some interesting aspect which is often ignored by organizations. That is, while choosing the persons to the jobs, people will ignore whether the person can discharge or deliver the services that are required. If a right person is chosen for right job, we always used to say, a place for everything, everything in its own place. A place for everything, everything in its own place. A job for every person and every person in his own job. There is also an interesting story. In Krishnadevaraya kingdom, there was a person who has been close to king. And then that person has requested the king on the rather not advice, on the discussion. Arey, you are with me for a long time. You choose anything. And normally that fellow was a carpenter. And he was given a position in ministerial position. And because of that fellow, many things were going in astray, that means in the wrong direction. People have been suffering so much, and there was a problem. And nobody can go and say, because the fellow who is in charge of that project happened to be very close to king, the emperor. So anything informed, there may be a problem and there may be a punishment. So with that fear, people were silent, and finally they approached Ramakrishna, Tenali Ramakrishna, Ramalinga. And he was asked, he was requested, sir, this man has been posted in such and such a position, because of that we are suffering a lot. He doesn't know anything. Originally he was a carpenter. And how can he know all these things? Then that was a problem. Then Ramalinga said, I will see, I will take care of it. Then one day Ramalinga has invited the king for a dinner in his house, at his home. And he said, why unnecessarily all these things? So, no, you can eat some beautiful Brahmin food. There will be a change and you will enjoy. You please come. And Royal said, okay, Ramalinga has been very close and he is the chief advisor, one of the chief advisors, rather next to Timarsu. So he accepted. All right. And he came and he has been received well and everything has been going according to the protocol. Finally, the food has been served. And the food was so bad. No one has ever expected such and such a food will be prepared by any, even the novice. Novice means వాడికి ఏం తెలీదు, కొత్తగా అమెచ్యూర్, మెచ్యూరిటీ లేనివాడు, కొత్త కుక్కు కూడా అట్లాంటి చేయడు. దెన్ హీ ఆస్క్డ్, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ రామలింగ, వాట్ ఫుడ్ యూ హ్యావ్ సర్వ్డ్ దిస్, హూ ఈజ్ హీ? Sir, that fellow is a gardener. And I asked him to prepare the food. So he has done like this. Why should you do? How can you appoint a gardener in the position of a cook and spoil the whole program? What, Ramalinga, you do all foolish things. You are so intelligent, but you do such things. No, Your Majesty. Then I thought, when a carpenter can become a minister in your chamber, I thought even a gardener can cook. Then Ramakrishna, Krishnadevaraya has realized, the king has realized the mistake he has committed. Then accordingly he has taken the decisions. That is a different thing. What we call this is a mismatch, misplacement. Because in most of the things nowadays in democracy, the governments will choose their own people. Because he happened to be the nephew, he happened to be the uncle, he happened to be the cousin of the minister or somebody in the positions. And he will be given an assignment. He doesn't know ABCD of it. And finally the whole project will go to dogs. So that way there is why many of the government projects are not functioning well. I tell you, or why many organizations suffer, private organizations especially, because I told you, he is his wife's cousin. He is given a post of some general manager or a DGM position, or a president or a vice president. He will see that the project is collapsed. That is because he is not a right person. We also used to say right word at a right time. With the right person, in the right context, for a right purpose, right cause. Even in communication. So always we have to think whether the fellow who is chosen for a particular job has the competence and the capacity, the knowledge, the wisdom, the skill, the attitude, in order to see that the project is completed with or successfully. So this is the case. There will be a mismatch. So here, when there is a misplacement or a mismatch, there will be a problem, but people claim make tall claims. I tell you a small story in this context. There was a Jamindar, and he had many servants. Despite that, he used to have some one or two confidential people, especially youngsters, because old people will have experience and they will manipulate the things. So youngsters will be fresh. They may not be knowing many maneuvering or cunning attitudes might have not been developed to them. So he has chosen two. Let us call one is Gopi, another is Krishna. So two youngsters have been chosen and they are assisting and they are doing their jobs well according to the situation. But in course of time, the Krishna was promoted. That is, the personal matters of Jamindar is to be taken care of by Krishna, and even the financial and other matters. So he has become private secretary, not a servant. Very close to the. So anything he can take a decision and he can tell others on behalf of the Jamindar. That is. Then this man was not promoted, Gopi. Gopi is still in the same level. He was assigned a job and he has been doing things, the routine things. And in course of time, Gopi has disturbed. He was disturbed because we both joined at the same time. We have been working here for the last 2 years or 3 years. Whereas the Krishna was promoted, whereas I have not been promoted. It was lurking in his mind, and one day he went to the Jamindar and asked, "Excuse me, sir, may I ask one small doubt?" "You tell me," Jamindar immediately asked. We joined both, Krishna and myself have joined at the same time, sir. He has been promoted where I have not been promoted. Still I am in the same position. May I know the reason, sir? If anything is there, I will rectify, I will do my best. So it is pinching, rather, I am feeling bad about it. Sorry, sir, if anything wrong on my side. So he was polite and he has presented his case before him. Then immediately he was watching the situation, what to tell to this fellow. In the meanwhile, just within half a kilometer distance, there was a road and there was a procession and there was a band and music and procession and some people, some 50-100 people were going. And then he asked, Jamindar asked, "Gopi, you go and inquire what is that, who are the persons who are going. So what is that music and other things, that procession, you go and inquire." So this fellow went and returned. What is the, so it is relating to some marriage. Whose marriage? I will go and inquire. Again he went and he asked and he has come. And whose marriage? So where they are going? Again I will go and getting information. For every question posed by the Jamindar, he used to go and ask and then come back. Because they were taking some food or something under the trees. So they had a time. Then immediately what he did, Jamindar did, he called Krishna. Krishna, you go and inquire what is that they are going. There is some music and other things, some procession, and people are settled under the trees and they are eating something it appears to be. You go and inquire. So he went there. Then asked, what is that? Sir, that is a marriage. The marriage, they are from Atur village, some 3 miles away. So they are going to some other village in another 1 kilometer. And marriage will be tomorrow at 10 o'clock. So that is why they are going in advance. And the boy's father is so such and such a person, and they are going. And in that village, all the details, when the marriage will be taken place, what is that, where from they are coming, and who is the person, and every detail, whatever he asks, he answers. Then he told the Gopi, have you seen the difference between you and Krishna? For every question you are going there and inquiring and coming back. Whereas Krishna has gone there, he inquired every bit of it. So that is why he is more intelligent. So he can understand the situations and he is thorough with his job. Whatever the assignment that is given, he will do with all perfection. So for his efficiency, I have promoted him and I put him as my personal secretary. Whereas you have not reached that stage and you have not been trained like that. Then the Gopi has realized his mistake and felt shy. Then said, yes sir, you are correct. He deserves the promotion. I will follow Krishna. I will learn something from him. I will also do something better in course of time. Thank you very much, sir. So that way. So there will be a mismatch always. And there may not be, everybody will do the same job well. But they claim that we are good, but you people, you see, you are not doing, you are doing some injustice. So you are giving more salary, more perks to that fellow, and you are promoting that fellow, whereas I have not been promoted. Rather, I have been demoted. All these complaints will be often we see in the organizations, but they will never understand, realize, and introspect. So whether I am wrong, am I doing my job well, to what extent I am discharging my duties. So that kind of thinking may not be there. So this is one of the stories that will explain the difference between the two people whose efficiency differs widely. Thank you.